Welcome back to our channel, Tech Lovers. Today, we're diving into the latest budget-friendly powerhouse from itel, the itel S24. Whether you're looking for an affordable daily driver or a reliable backup phone, this device might just surprise you. Let's get into the details. First up, let's talk about the display and design. The itel S24 features a 6.6-inch IPS LCD display with a 90Hz refresh rate, providing smoother visuals compared to many other phones in this price range. The resolution is 720 x 1612 pixels, which ensures decent clarity for everyday use. With an 84.8% screen-to-body ratio, it looks modern and immersive. The design is sleek and practical. At just 8.3mm thick and weighing 192 grams, it's comfortable to hold and use. Available in dawn white, coastline blue, and starry black, there's a color to suit every style. Next, let's delve into performance. The itel S24 is powered by the MediaTek Helio G91 Ultra chipset, paired with up to 8GB of RAM. This octa-core processor, combined with Mali G52MC2 GPU, handles daily tasks and light gaming with ease. Running on Android 13, the user experience is smooth and intuitive. Whether you're browsing the web, streaming videos, or using social media, the itel S24 keeps up with your pace. And with storage options up to 256GB, you have plenty of space for your apps, photos, and files. Now, let's talk about the cameras. The itel S24 features a 108MP main camera, which is quite impressive for a budget device. This camera captures detailed and vibrant photos, and it supports video recording at 1440p. There's also a secondary 0.08MP auxiliary lens. For selfies, the 8MP front camera does a solid job, and it also supports 1440p video recording. Perfect for video calls and social media content. What's a great smartphone without a reliable battery? The itel S24 comes with a 5000 mAh battery, ensuring you get through your day without frequent recharges. And when you do need to charge, the 18W wired charging gets you to 50% in just 40 minutes. Plus, it supports bypass charging, which helps preserve battery health. The itel S24 is packed with useful features like a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for quick and secure access, dual SIM capability, and expandable storage via microSD. It also supports dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, and has a 3.5mm headphone jack, a feature many of us still love. So there you have it. The itel S24 offers an impressive array of features at a budget-friendly price of around $107. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and updates. Got questions or thoughts about the itel S24? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.